In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Alibaba to Big Cartel. To kick things off, you need to ensure that you already have an account set up on Big Cartel. That's a crucial step to help you seamlessly integrate the two platforms. Once you've confirmed your Big Cartel account is ready, we're going to head over to Alibaba's website. You'll want to be prepared to log in or create an account if you haven't yet done so. It's very straightforward, just like signing up for any online service. After accessing Alibaba, the first thing you'll do is click on your profile icon, usually located at the top of the page. This icon will typically look like a small figure or your account initials if you've added those details. It's essential to keep all your profile information updated as it ensures smoother operations while working with the platform. Now, once you've accessed your profile, look for the menu option labeled My Alibaba. This is your central hub where you can manage everything related to your account, orders, and potential business connections. Clicking on this option will take you to a new page filled with various options related to your Alibaba activities. There, you'll need to find and click on the Dropshipping section. Dropshipping is a fantastic way to manage your inventory without needing to store products physically. It's an efficient model, especially for online retailers looking to expand product ranges without upfront inventory investment. Once in the dropshipping section, look for a button or link that says Find Products. This is where you can explore Alibaba's extensive catalog. With millions of products to choose from, there's something for every niche imaginable, whether it's electronics, clothing, home goods, or more. You can filter your searches to find exactly what fits your market best. Now that you've browsed and selected a product you wish to sell on your Big Cartel store, you'll need to click on that product. This will bring up a detailed page with all the information you need about it, from pricing to shipping. Next, look for the Start Dropshipping option on the product page. This step is crucial as it will guide you through Alibaba's dropshipping process. It usually involves linking the product directly to your online storefront, managing price margins, and setting shipping options. Finally, as you reach the end of these steps, you'll want to import the chosen product. This action pulls in those selected items into your Big Cartel account, making them available for sale to your customers. With this integration, you can now easily manage inventory, sales, and fulfill orders right from your Big Cartel dashboard, making it a seamless experience from start to finish. By following these steps, you'll have successfully connected Alibaba to your Big Cartel store, opening up new opportunities for product variety and business growth. Thanks for watching and happy selling! Peace.